Originally, the plan was to have you answer this question yourself by doing a free response. However, up to this point, you haven't had much opportunity to make use of the equation editor that is available in PlayPosit. So I just want to demonstrate how you do that for this particular instance so that you can actually do it for f of x decreasing and f of x being constant. So um, so the first thing you want to do, anytime you want to put any kind of mathematical formula or expression in, whether it's a fill in the blank, sometimes you'll have access to this, or if you're asked to do an open response like this, is if you're given an opportunity to use rich text, you take it. So basically, you're going to say use rich text, and you can see you have more options here. You could make your answer choices bold and things like that, but you can even insert a picture if necessary, a short video if you want to. Um, but this one right here is where you would insert an equation. Now, what's nice about this is it actually writes the LaTeX commands for you and translates it and embeds it into PlayPosit to give your answer. However, and up here, all you have to really do is put in the symbols either by typing or coming to these menus here and putting the right symbols in. So, for instance, if I want to say increasing for, and I can move this a little bit so I can see, it was increasing from -7 to -4. So I could say X for my X values. I can even use the fancy symbols. If you look up here, you can find just about any of the symbols you need. So that is an element symbol is right here. And as you can see up here, it's putting in the LaTeX command. Down here, it's showing you what the symbol looks like. So you can make this look the way it's supposed to. Now, it's increasing from -7 to -4. However, I have to remember at the endpoints, it's not doing either. And that's always going to be the case. When you do intervals of increase and decrease, you're never going to have brackets as part of them. So I'm going to come here and choose the parentheses. And I'm just going to put -7, -4. And there it is. I would hit OK. And there it is. And I could hit submit. Now, also along with that, getting back to that same menu again, which I'm going to have to play around with it a little bit here. So give me a second and a little movement with my video. So I'm back here with a blank rich text editor. And again, I just wanted to show if I'm in this area here, another symbol that gets used a lot is this union symbol right here. That's where it's located. So, especially if you have instances where, it might be like increasing or decreasing or constant in more than one spot, you have to kind of break it up using those. So, you're going to need to use that when you deal with decreasing. So I just want to make sure you knew where that is. So, I would also, get a chance to, when you get a chance, play with this equation editor when you get a chance. There's opportunities to do that. But as I said, every symbol you could possibly imagine is actually in this, and you could actually make it look really like it would be in a textbook when you give your answers. And I want you to start using this. So that's all I have for this little short video. If you have any additional questions, please let me know.